Hi, thanks for tuning in to another Forgotten Weapons video session. Today, from the deep annals of our video archive, also known as that USB drive we forgot about, we have a disassembly and reassembly of a Fedorov Avtomat. The Avtomat was arguably the first select-fire assault rifle ever designed, and well, inarguably it's a royal pain to take apart and put back together. So I realize that the video on this is a little bit dull, but I don't know when we'll have the chance to recreate this footage, so I figured we'd put it up for you to see as is. Enjoy!
Look at the operation. Now you'll see something strange. There's your locking mechanism.
How does it still figure on like that?
Okay. That's the stuff nightmares are made out of. Just so you know that. Okay. Bolt. Only a Russian could design something like this. Comes forward. I'll push it forward to lock it right now. Okay, it's locked. Now you see the camlet surface into the inside of the bolt.
And this box section's
All it does is
and
hold
spring's giving you the compression to do it.
Right. What? You want to talk about over-machined? Look at that. There we go. Now, just need to go over the top of this. Need to set in here. It's a dust cover. That looks correct, doesn't it? Here. It just comes out of the cam, an angle. This has got to come in right here. Ah, our first problem. Okay. Hey, I think it's going well.
Almost.
So far. And you didn't think we were going to get it back together, huh?
He was a little nervous.
That's okay. So was I.